At times, for various reasons, a 406 beacon can be inadvertently activated and create a distress alert. Certain rescue responders could be sent into a potentially dangerous situation unnecessarily. Precious resources could be diverted from responding to real alerts. To help manage this situation, a cancellation function will be available on some new generation 406 beacons. It will also be available on all beacons designed for activation by a pilot in flight. The cancellation function can either be automatically or manually activated. It is a way to inform the rescue authorities that there is no longer a distress situation or that the activation was inadvertent. If a beacon is inadvertently manually activated, or if a distress situation no longer exists, the user should press the cancellation button and leave the beacon in a clear sky area for at least 2 minutes to ensure the rescue authorities receive the cancellation message. If the distress was automatically activated, for example on an aircraft in flight, once the distress criteria are no longer met, the triggering logic will send a cancellation command to the beacon and it will start transmitting a cancellation message. This informs rescue services and the aircraft operator that the distress situation has ended. Kasper Sarsat, we save lives.